Hello everyone. In this video, we will be implementing heap in C++. In my previous video, I have explained like how we can use array to store heap values, and we have seen the relationship between parent and left child, parent and right child. Okay, so this is a C++ program which I have implemented. Now I have created a class known as heap, and the attributes that I have used is the array, because we are going to use array representation, and the size of the heap. Now in the constructor I have initialized the member variables, that is I have passed n, and this size value will be equals to the n, and then I have created this array dynamically. And after that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take heap as an input. So we know that there are two types of heap. One is min heap and another one is max heap. So suppose I'll be drawing a min heap 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now after creating the constructor, the next is the left child. Okay. So suppose I want to find like what will be the left child of node having value 1. So using this tree diagram, we can easily check that the node having value 2 is the left child. Using the formula which we have discussed in the previous video, that the left child is nothing but 2i plus 1. So what is the index value? The index value of each node will be like this will be 0, this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we are going to represent this tree in array, like there will be an array using index value, we can find out like which node is the left child node and which one is the right child node. Okay, so in index 0, the node having value 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now suppose I'll be having this index 0, I'll be having this index 0, and I need to find out like what will be the left child value and what will be the right child value. Okay, so if we see this code, the left child is 2i plus 1. Okay, the left child is 2i plus 1. So the value of I is 0. 2 into 0 plus 1, it's 1. So the value at index 1 will be the left child node. So what is the value at index 1? The value at index 1 is 2. Okay. Now if we see this tree diagram, we find that yes, 2 is the left child node. Now what will be the right child node? The right child node, the formula is 2i plus 2. So 2 into 0 plus 2 is 2. So what is the value at index 2? The value at index 2 is 3. So the node having value 3 will be the right child node. So if we are having this array, we can easily find out like which node is the left child, which node is the right child, and which one is the parent. So instead of using or creating a tree, we can use this array for representing the heap. Okay. Now we can take one more example. Okay, so the right child node is 2i plus 2. Now parent. How we can find the parent of a node? Suppose I need to find the parent of this node. So using this tree diagram, we can check that 1 is the parent of 3. But we are having only this array. So the node having value 3 is this one. The index value is 2. So using the index value, we can find out the index of the parent node. Okay. So I is 2. So we need to find out like what is the parent of this index having value 2. So the formula is the floor of I minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 by 2, it's 1 by 2, which is 0.5, and the floor of 0.5 is 0. So the value at index 0 is the parent node. So what is the value at index 0? The value at index 0 is 1. So if we check this tree diagram, we find that 1 is the parent of 3. Okay, so we can represent it in the form of a class and objects. Like I have created a class heap, and inside this I have created this member functions which are going to fetch me the node value, like which one is the left child node and which one is the right child node. Okay, now suppose I'm going to take one more example. So right now we are familiar with the relation between the parent and the left child and the right child. Okay, so in this main function I have created the object of heap, that is h1, and I have passed the size, which is 5. Now I need to find out like the left child of the node having value 1. So this is the index value and this is the size value. Okay, so I need to find out the left child of node 1. So in this tree diagram, the index value is 1 and the value at index 1 is 2. Okay, so using the formula left child equals to 2i plus 1, where I is the index value. So the index value is 1, which we are passing as a parameter. So 2i plus 1 is 3. So index 3 will be the left child, index 3 will be the left child, and right child will be 2 into 1 plus 2, which is 4. So index 4 is the right child. So basically 4 and 5 will be the left and right child. And if I need to find out the parent, we know the formula is I minus 1 by 2, which is 0. So the parent of this node having value 2 is the value which is present at index 0. So basically we will be having an array, and in that array only we are making the relation between the parent, left child and right child, and we are finding the values. Okay, so the output will be like the output will be 4, 5, and the parent of node which is in index 1 is the node which is at index 0. Okay, and the value of that node is 1. So if I execute this, now we need to take heap as an input. So suppose I am taking min heap. Yeah. So after taking min heap, as per the given parameters, like I need to find the left child of the node at index 1. So using the left child formula, the left child node is 4 and the right child node is 5. And the parent node will be 1. So basically these are the values, these are the node values which we are returning using the member function. So by this way we can construct heap using class and objects.